Assalamualaikum. Hello and greetings to everyone and hit panel. My name is Muhammad Farith Aiman bin Muhammad ROSLI. So, before I start talking further about myself, I would like to explain a little bit about smart drilling technologies. So, about smart drilling technologies, it uses artificial intelligence or AI to use in a system or technology. For example, in drilling company, usually they use vertical and directional drilling with the use of manpower and equipment. But in smart drilling technology, it uses artificial intelligence in order to remotely control the drilling process and also collect logging data from the drilling. So, a company named Zifra was able to achieve this kind of technology and able to gain $30 million in a year this year, and was estimated to gain another $50 million in the year of 2021. And can you imagine what if your company was able to gain this kind of technology? And that's why I am here to show and prove to you that I can get your company into a higher heights. Now, I want to apply this job as a drilling engineer because, as it shown in Holland career test, I was able to get realistic and conventional personality test. For the realistic test, my first strength is I know my own limitation. For my own limitation, I will not do something if it is impossible. Just like a machine, if you want to make the machine work up to its limit, it will if you push the machine too far, it will surely lose its efficiency, same as a human. If we work a human too far, the human will get so stressed, and also he will the work of him or her doing that will the efficiency of it will eventually decrease. Another one of my strength is I know how to operate and use machine and computers. So in this case, I understand, and also if someone wants to teach me how to use something, I will able to grasp what they teach me, because I know the basics, and I know the basic on how to use those tools, machine and computer stuff. So for the conventional strength, my first strength is I am an attentive person. So what I mean by attentive is I will not lose focus when I'm doing my job. If we lose focus during our job, surely we will make a mistake. As we know, mistakes always happens when a worker lose their concentration when they are too preoccupied with something else in their mind, and they will lose their focus on their job, and that is why mistake always happen. And I assure you that I will not be like those kind of worker. Next, I will tell you about my weaknesses. So my weaknesses is that I'm usually less I'm usually less sociable, because I always talk less with people. What I mean when I talk less with people is not that I'm not rather talk with them. It's just that I do more action rather than talk. Just like a quote say, less talk, do more. That is why I uphold to. Because of that, I want to show to people that I'm not a fraud that only talks, but rather a professional that do stuff. So my next weaknesses is my next weaknesses is that I am not a very good mentor. I am not a very good mentor because of my explanation for something to other people is for them to comprehend is too hard for them to understand. So in this case, for me, it's not that I am willing to teach someone, but it is up to them if they try to comprehend what I say. Because when I try to teach someone, it is harder for them to understand what I meant by my words. So to sum it up, I agree with my career test from Holland personality test, because I think it shows what I am exactly and show what is the best for me. See? So I really hope that your company can acknowledge and know my appealing strength from any other candidate. Because if I were able to get into your company, I wish and I promise that I can bring new things into your company. That is all. Thank you.